QIDI TECH 3D printer, large size X Plus intelligent industrial grade 3D printing with nylon, carbon fiber, PC, high precision printing 10.6 x 7.9 x 7.9 inch. Friendly reminder, in order to keep the XY axis stable during the transportation, we put the clips. Please remove the clips after receiving the 3D printer. The X Plus 3D printer kit comes with two different types of extruder assembly. The extruder A had already been installed on the printer. The max printing temperature is 250 C, and it can works well with PLA, ABS, TPU. And for extruder B, free to you if you need. The maximum printing temperature is 300 C, and can print nylon, carbon fiber, PC. The latest development, free trial. The X Plus with pioneered creation of two different ways for placing the filament. Ventilated printing or enclosed constant temperature printing for you to choose when printing the different types of filament. Double Z-axis driver, ensures more stable and more precise printing quality when you print large model size.